children, now today I am going to teach you about shapes, right? We have done these shapes in the school, but there are some activities we must do on the book. So I'll go through the shapes again, okay? You have to repeat with teacher. What is this shape? This is a circle. Remember we did circle in the school? Circle, right? What is the next shape? What is this shape, children? Tell me louder. It's a square. Very good. It's a square. Square, right? And this is a triangle. Say louder. Triangle, right? So these are the shapes we learned in the school. Can you all remember? We did many activities under this shapes theme, right? And today I am going to give you another activity. You have to do this with your mummies and daddies. This activity is on the workbook, right? It's on the page number 26. What you have to do is, the shapes are here. Can you all see the shapes we learned? The square, triangle and circle. There's another square also here. So what you have to do is color the circles in red. All the circles you have to color in red. Okay? And color the squares. Let's see the squares. See, there are 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. All these squares you have to color in yellow. It has mentioned here. You can read with your mummies, right? Yellow. Color the squares in yellow. And the triangles you have to color in blue. Okay? Once you finish coloring also, you have to name them. Okay? With mummies, name the shapes. And learn these shapes. Okay? So this is the activity you have to do on the workbook. And also on the, remember this book? The activity book 1. On this book there is a revision activity. So this is about basic shapes. Circle is here, square is here, and the triangle is here. So what you have to do is you have to color these shapes in 3 different colors. You can use yellow for the circle, red for the square, and triangle can be blue color. Okay? So color all these shapes nicely without coloring around. You have to color inside the lines. Okay? So you bring them back to school when you come back to see teachers, and teacher will check them. Okay? If you color them nicely, you will get big stars and smiley faces. Okay? Do these activities on the activity book 1 and on the workbook, right? And also there's another activity on the activity book 2. Remember we did pre-writing sticking on these books. We have done 2 pages. So today we are going to do the page number 3, right? Home sweet home. So you have to guide the animals to find their homes, right? What you have to do is you have to take 2 fingers and start here and guide the bee to find the beehive, right? And here, who is here? That's the spider. What's spider going to do? Spider going to find its house. That's the spider web. So shall we help him to find his house? Ready? Start here and trace, right? And there's a butterfly. Butterfly going to find the flower. Shall we help the butterfly? Ready? Start here and trace on the line to the flower. Okay, so once you're done tracing, you have to take little maybe glitter sheets or sequins, or maybe you can use buttons or something, and paste on the line. Okay, you start on the near the bee and finish here. Do sticking from left to right. Okay, so first you trace and do a sticking, and these are called sleeping lines. So you can learn the name as well. What are they called? Sleeping lines. So you have to do sticking on the sleeping lines. Okay. So this activity also you can do with your mummies and daddies. And shall we do another one? Do you like to do another activity? Oh, what's this? It's a rainy day. Look at this picture. Can you all see? Rainy day. There's a cloud here. What you have to do is you have to trace on the lines. What are these lines called? They are called slanting lines. What are they called? Slanting lines. So what you have to do is you take 2 fingers and trace from top to bottom on the line. Right? Trace on the line. There are 3 lines you have to trace. Once you finish tracing, we can paste little, the parents can give little like raindrops cut with the cardboards and paste on the lines, right? blue raindrops you all can cut with the cardboards. Then let the child to paste on the line and say they are slanting lines. What are they called, children? Slanting lines. So we do these 2 pages. This is page number 4, okay? So these are the activities you can do, and also there are some pictures you can color on the phonics book. This is my book of phonics, and some pictures we have done, but some pictures we haven't done. So we will send the parents the chart of the sounds, so parents can go through the sounds and teach them the sounds all the time. Don't say R, say R, right? Like that. Teach them the sounds using this book and let them know the sounds. Okay, this is A sound. So some of them have done the pictures, but some children they haven't done some pictures. So you all, the parents can help the children to learn the sounds and color the pictures. Right? There are other pictures also on the first pages. As you can see now, this is A for apple, and also child can color this picture. If they haven't done, the children can color. A for ant. Right? So go through the book and see if the children have not done the coloring. So the parents can help them to learn the sound and color the pictures. Right? So these are the activities I have for this week. So I hope you all understood the lessons, and I hope to see you again in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.